This is going to be so crazy.
What is she doing?
Giant cabbage, big opening.
Take a cabbage and make a hole in the center.
Filling it up with our
Stuff the cabbage with the meat.
slide our blocks of cheese.
Find the worst cheese in your supermarket and then pour it inside this cabbage bowl.
We're going to start putting ground beef.
Ah, now my favorite part. Wrap the whole cabbage in meat so we will have a huge meatball.
Before we bake in this, we're gonna bake.
Now, since we are Americans, let's cover everything with fresh bacon.
Get in the oven at
Pour it 12 hours inside the oven and hope it won't explode.
Feed a Smallville.
It's time to open the bowling ball of the devil.
Oh my goodness.
Te prego, guarda qua, signora, what is this?
and we can't forget about our
Cover it with glue so it's gonna taste delicious. I wanna throw up. Not approved.